Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. The reason of learning landscape painting. Why landscape painting learning is too important? This is our landscape painting. In our previous video, we have learned about the landscape painting. You can see if you know the landscape painting, then how you can add the more object to complete or to create a different pictures. Here I am showing how I have added mud house and the human figures. Look, so that means our landscape is working in our picture as a background. Yes, as a background, and the figures and mud house is our foreground. So background is very much important to clear our foreground. Both are important. So in this video we will learn about our foreground, how the landscape is helping us to create our foreground. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. As you can see, this is my studio where I make interesting videos for all of you. And I know YouTube is such a great nice platform from where we can learn lot of things. So in today's videos, you can see the landscape. I have made many videos on landscape painting. In my one videos, I have shown you the black and white landscape painting to clear you the concept of color value, color depth. And also I have shown this landscape painting in digital medium, pastel, even in watercolor. Why landscape is so important, that is our topic in this video. Okay, so without wasting time, we will start our video. But I want to tell you one thing, we are learning many things from YouTube, that is good. But we also need a guidance, a teacher who can guide us what is right for us, what is wrong for us. So we have an online coaching also, because you all know Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. I want more and more people watch us. So let's see our compositions where I am showing landscape is how much important. In our previous video, I have made the landscape painting in pastel medium, digital medium and also in watercolor. So you need to go and watch first to learn the landscape painting. Then you can understand this video. Here I am drawing a heart. You can see these are the bamboos. So we can see in the village this way the mud house is made. And these are the grasses. These are the cracking as it was made by mud. So this is the cracks are showing. Now I'm drawing the stick figures. If you don't know about the stick figures, go and learn the stick figures. I have made a separate video, and also I have given this all link in my description where you can learn the landscape painting, and also you can see the separate video of stick figures. According to drawing perspective, the stick figures is far near to mud house, is looking smaller than the stick figures I have drawn in the front. Now I am drawing the eyes. I am doing the detailing in my figure, but before detailing, always start with stick figures. to make your drawing look perfect. Now with fingers. I am showing a village activity. In our village, children used to play with the tire, unused tire that is not used for the cycle. When it is thrown, the children use it to play. They just ride it with the help of a stick. This is a balance act. They get entertained by balancing and riding this tire. Look how I am improving my stick figures to a compositions. I have made a separate video. You can see stick figures to composition. You should learn from this. Now you can see this is the drawing. Now I am coloring. First I will use the base color. First tone of color, that is base color. Now the bamboo color is yellow ochre, a lemon yellow color I have used for the roof. Now I am using dark brown color to show the shades under the roof. Now I am using the yellow ochre color for the mud house, but upper portion I have done the dark brown to show the shadows of the roof on the wall, and we have to mix the yellow ochre color with dark brown color. And inside the window I am doing black color that it shows interior of the house. Now the grasses, as this is front of our picture, so you can see, if you know the landscape painting, you know the far is looking very lighter yellowish. The more it is closer, the green is looking darker. Now I am using peach color as a base color for our human figure skin. I am doing this painting in digitally, so better you can understand the concept. Easily I can overlap the color on my painting, but if you draw in paper, you cannot add the color this way. You have to draw, then you can color. But here I am coloring easily because I am doing it digitally, so it doesn't matter my background color is there. It is not creating any problem. You can see after giving peach color, from the left side of my picture I have shown the orange color as a shades. That is showing the light is coming from the right side. So left side is shadow is coming. Same things I'm doing for the human figure that is in far, the girl. You see how I'm improving these pictures. Again I'm telling, this color overlapping is possible because I am coloring it in digitally. But if you are coloring in the paper, you cannot overlap the color. Here I'm just doing this to clear why the landscape painting is so important. If you know the landscape painting, then only your foreground painting, means human figure and mud house, will get an importance. So when you are drawing in your paper, you have to draw whole things, first landscape, then mud house, then human figure, then you can start coloring. But here, just to clear the conception, I have shown the landscape coloring is finished. On that I have drawn and I'm overlapping the color. But in practically on the paper you cannot do this. Only digitally you can do this. But your conception should be clear wherever you are doing this. So you have to use your just common sense. So look, here on the road also I am giving brown color, and I am using this color, this orange color mixed with yellow color, and the brown is the shadows. So I have to mix the color. So I am taking this orange yellow color on the brown color to mix the color. So you can see for the dresses also I have shown the base color. So I have to give the shadows, but before this I am using my another tone for the figure. You can see the light is coming from the right side, so all the tones are generally coming the left sides. So I am doing the detailing with some borders with dark brown color that suits with our skin easily. For the leg also I am doing this, the finger. Now shadows for the t-shirt, tire. You can see how I am doing. So in this video you can learn a very nice compositions, and also you will have the clear concept of importance of landscape painting and concept of coloring also. It's very simple. If your conception is clear, then you can do same things with watercolor, with pastel color, with pencil color, or any color. You can do this. Just on the paper you cannot overlap the color. Means here I have colored and drawn. Already the landscape was drawn. On that I have drawn. But you cannot do this. When you are drawing in the paper, you have to draw whole things. After that you can start coloring. Now some orange color strokes on the roofs. So look, without foreground our landscape and with foreground our full pictures. I hope this video you liked. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.